Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I decided to go outside and take some cool shots because we finally got snow in my city, and I will record a first-person video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, so let's go. Unfortunately, after 20 minutes of my photo shoot, it started raining, and I put my camera in my bag and we went to play pool. After a few games, of course, I took a couple of shots. Here are some of them. That's it for me, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, just subscribe to the channel and wait for new video next week. Goodbye.